You are probably wondering why I have not talked about the jack and the tire wrench. Kasi di ba, we talked about the donut spare tire, what's the right size, and where to buy. How will I change my tires if I don't have a jack and a tire wrench? I actually did a video while we were still in Bicol, doon kila Sir Alex and Palpak. So, please watch this because I don't want you to make the same mistake. Maraynal daw po sa Indogabos and Merry Christmas. So, napanood po ninyo, pinakita ko sa inyo yung pagbili ko ng donut spare tire. This time, I'm going to show to you, i-share ko sa inyo what were my considerations in choosing the right jack and tire wrench. Mabilis lang to at busy na kami dito nagpe-prepare ng Noche Buena. Before we proceed, magpapasalamat muna ako sa sponsor ng aking napaka-poging cup. Sponsor din, no? Joke lang. Pasalubong sa akin ng napakagwapo kong bayaw. So this was the first jack that I bought. The capacity is 2.5 tons. The weight of the SL6 is only around 1,800 something. Let's say 2 tons. So, if this is 2.5 tons, in terms of weight, this should have been enough. Ang ganda sana kasi may kasama na siyang pouch and it also comes with a ratchet. Ito. Okay? Unfortunately, as you've seen in the video, hindi niya kayang i-lift yung rear tire because the height is not enough. So, take note, it's not only about the weight, it's also the height. So, nagka-problema kami ni Sir Alex, sinamahan niya ako, umikot kami ng buong Tabaco and Legazpi City. We tried to look for a jack that can go higher. Kaya lang, when we looked at the malls, ang available doon yung mga bottle type jacks that are heavy. Kaya ako pinili actually in the first place yung scissors jack because they are light. And these bottle jacks, those that can go really high, are like nasa 5 tons to 6 tons na and really, really heavy. So hesitant akong bumili kasi I am really very particular with the additional space and weight na ilalagay ko dito sa trunk ng SL6 natin. So, ang nangyari, on the way back to Manila, gumawa na lang kami ng temporary solution. So, binigay ito sa akin, tantaran ni chef, ni Boss JM, pinahiram niya sa akin. And then, dun sa backyard ni Sir Alex, may piece of wood siya doon and pinakat niya to. So, sinukat namin, sumakto na to, ipapatong ko dito sana yung jack until I find a better solution. Okay? Siyempre, it was Christmas holiday, so hindi rin naman ganun kadali mag-order sa Lazada. And baka, you know, by the time the item will be delivered, we are already back here in Manila. So, today, I already found my solution. This is another scissors jack, but this time, this is 4 tons. May pouch na rin, and eto. Sa Lazada ko lang din to nabili. So this one is so much bigger compared to this one. 4 tons, if you talk about weight, parang too much, di ba? Kaya lang, yun na nga, we need the height.
Okay, let's try. Let's just use my hand first para mas mabilis.
Now, let's use the ratchet that came with the jack. So, meron tong adjustment for the directions. Okay, adjust yun na lang. Do we have enough space? Nope.
So easy to use with the ratchet.
Are you getting some lift already? Hindi pa. Probably pag nakalusot na tong ratchet. Mukhang umangat na. Hindi pa lumulusot. So, ang ginagawa ko lang na basis is the wrench can pass through here under the tire. So, estimate ko mga half to 1 inch yung space. I think that should be enough para you can pull the tire out. Okay? Now, what's the height? Yun ang pinaka-importante. Okay, let's measure. So, from the ground, ayan,
you lift up to here sa ilalim. 37. Okay, 37. Make it 38. Okay. So I think this is the most important part of this video, is for you to take note that the jack that you will buy should be able to lift the car up to 38 centimeters here sa rear. Obviously, yung sa front is lower, so we don't need to talk about that. If your jack can lift the rear, for sure the front can also be lifted kasi mas mababa doon. Okay, tanggalin na natin. All you need to do is to reverse this para bumaliktad yung turn niya. Ayan. Easy peasy. Okay guys, dito na natin ituloy kasi late na ako sa lakad ko. So the next thing that I wanted to show to you is the tire wrench. Okay, ito nabili ko lang din to sa Lazada, mura lang. It comes with 4 different sizes. Okay? So sa isang ganito, sa isang socket, 2 sizes na ang kaya niya. Alright, so dalawa, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, but what we really need for the SL6 is only the 21 millimeters. Okay, so isang set na kinuha ko, and then what I really like about this is etong mismong ano niya, lever niya, extendable. So kapag medyo tumigas yung nut, mas madali buksan. So maraming iba-ibang jack, for me, ang pinakamadaling gamitin is the alligator jack. Kaya lang, I think yun ang pinakamabigat sa lahat. So kanya-kanya tayong preference, how much extra space you want to carry and how much additional weight you want to carry along with the donut spare tire that you might already have during your long trips. So ako, ayoko ng alligator jack kasi masyado mabigat. Next to that, na madaling gamitin is the battle jack, yung hydraulic din. Madali rin gamitin yon, but again, mabigat. So I think okay na ako dito sa scissors jack. I think the main takeaway, whatever jack ang magustuhan nyo, just make sure na kaya niyang mag-lift ng more than 37 centimeters. Okay? 37 centimeters should not be the maximum. Kasi pangit din kapag yun na yung maximum niya, na yung peak niya. Hindi na yun matibay. Sagad na sagad yun. Unstable yun. Delikado gamitin. So, look for something that can go mga 40 centimeters, I guess. 40 cm pataas. Etong nabili kong pangalawa, the one that pinakita ko sa inyo ngayon, the 4 tons, I think this can go up to 41 or 42. Anyway, don't worry, kung type nyo yan, ilalagay ko dyan yung link, yung Lazada link. Again, hindi ko kilala tong store na to, hindi ko to talagang ine-endorse. O pwede naman kayong bumili ng similar jack from other stores. Okay? For reference lang. And also, yung tie wrench, ilalagay ko rin dyan yung link sa description. Now, reminder lang, every time na magta-travel kayo, please make sure na tama yung tire pressure. For the SL6, it should be 36 PSI. Ako, every time na bumibiyahe, lalo pag long trip, chinecheck ko talaga yung tire pressure. Learning from, the first few days nito, nasabi ko bakit matalbog. So, magmula nun talagang chinecheck ko na. Now, hindi ko lang po nabanggit sa inyo, 4 days after namin makabalik ng Maynila, 4 days after namin makabalik ng Maynila from the Christmas and New Year break, bumalik kami ulit ng Bicol. Nagkaroon kami ng personal family emergency. So, binanggit ko lang kasi I want you guys to know na nakadalawang road trip kami ng Bicol. And hindi naman ako nagkaroon ng flat tire, hindi nagkaroon ng damage yung GT tires. Kasi that was one of my worries when I was still considering buying the SL6 kasi nga may mga reviews sa Australia na sinasabing maraming tire blowout. But of course, yung second trip na yon, we were a lot wiser. I made sure na yung timing namin pagdating ng Andaya, pagdating ng Quezon, maliwanag na so that we can see yung mga lubak-lubak clearer at mas madaling iwasan. And we went a little slower in terms of speed. Pero yung travel time namin, bumilis-bilis na, nagkaroon ng improvement kasi hindi na Christmas rush. But anyway, again, just make sure na tama yung PSI, yung tire pressure ninyo every time you travel. Okay? So, minsan natatawa ako sa sarili ko. Kasi 'di ba yung hassle, yung trouble, yung gasto sa pagkuha ng spare tire. Nakita nyo naman 'di ba yung mga vlogs natin, yung mga reviews. Parang minsan kinakausap ko sarili ko, parang feeling ko pinapagalitan ako ng mga car manufacturers eh. Kaya nga, nakadalawang Bicol trip ka na nga eh. Sinabi na nga, hindi nyo kailangan ng spare tire eh. Kaya nga, hindi na namin sinama yan dyan eh. Kasi based on statistics, hindi nyo kailangan eh. Di ba? Parang gano'n. Kung minsan, magre-reflect ka rin kapag marami kang, alam mo mong nag-overthink ka, nag-over-prepare ka, masyado kang meticuloso sa mga bagay-bagay. Parang, lalo pa tumatandaan tayo, dapat medyo bawasan ng stress. Pero, hindi pa rin. Parang, you can't blame me. Parang may stress ako kapag nagda-drive ako na wala akong spare tire. Parang fine. I think okay lang na naghanap tayo ng spare tire. Tapos ito nagkamali-mali pa na pagbili ng tawag dito, ng jack. Okay lang, basta sunod na long trip, dadaling ko pa rin yung spare tire. So, ayun, that's it guys. Ang dami ko na namang dinaldal. Anyway, kaya nga, by the way, pasensya na rin. That's also one of the reasons kung napapansin nyo medyo nabawasan yung updates natin because of that second trip, that family emergency. Bumalik kami ulit ng Bicol. So hopefully, ngayon, balik tayo sa normal programming. So, ayun. Sana nakatulong tong video na to. Again, quick summary, main takeaway. Kung ang bibilin yung jack, should be able to lift the car more than 37 centimeters. Okay? Yung tire wrench, yung socket na kailangan nyo is 21 millimeters. And always keep your tire pressure sa tamang pressure. For the SL6, it should be 36 PSI. Alright? Dami kong daldal. Okay guys, namiss ko kayo. Thank you for watching and hopefully malaking tulong to sa inyo. As always, drive safe. Bye. Please do not forget to follow our social media accounts. We are on YouTube, Facebook page, Instagram, and TikTok.